I'm gonna be doing a blind box unboxing. So I bought this one with my own money. I'm not happy with him. I don't know, he makes me feel weird. I really think it's just the hair that throws me off. But I got another one. These are the little guys. I really want this one. I think the little chef is cute too. I'm gonna be low-key mad if I get a dupe. You guys get to look first. Oh, he's cute. I'm not mad. He is a lot cuter than this guy, in my opinion. So he is Baby Ice Pop. These are the little cards that they come with.